it's been a long day in the hustle and bustle of the crazy Japan, making my way over here to Fujiyoshida, one of the little lakeside towns. This is by Lake Kawaguchiko, of course with the view of Fujisan. But this is a beautiful Japanese traditional home, which has been remade into a hostel. It's got an amazing combination of wood and tiles, concrete and greenery, beautiful traditional Japanese, hanging draped curtains, warm ambient lighting. Everything in here is just beautiful. But while I've got a quiet night in tonight, I thought I'd quickly run through what gear I've been filming with on this trip, just to break it down a wee bit. So first up is the actual camera bag itself. This is the beast here. This is the Peak Design 30 litre V2 camera bag. It's the one with the side entry for the camera and also the magnetic expanding part at the top. This bag fits my 2 camera bodies, 4 lenses, SD cards, batteries, and if I'm out and about and I buy anything, it can also expand to the top to fit that as well. The camera bodies on this trip, I'm running the Sony a7 IV for photography. This is a 33 megapixel photography based camera with a viewfinder, flip screen, and for video I have the Sony a7S III, essentially an FX3 rehoused with a viewfinder in case you ever need to take any photos, awesome in low light, dual native ISO, and a flip out screen. In terms of lenses, we've got 3 big hitters this trip. The first one is the 35mm f1.4 from Sigma. This allows an awesome depth of field while still having quite a wide perspective. Next is the Sony 85mm f1.4 G Master. This is an absolute beast of a lens, super nice compression and really good for low light street photography. And the final one of the big 3 is the 24-70 Sigma f2.8. This is my gimbal go-to. It gives you that wide angle but still the zoom, perfect for when I'm doing run and gun car videography or photography. Still allows that compression, still allows you to do interiors, and still allows you to get low enough f-stop to capture in low light. And that's just a quick run through of everything I've got in my camera bag there. Gimbal is the DJI RS2 and I just copy files through my MacBook. But it's getting late here now in Fujiyoshida, so I'm going to crash, snuggle down into this bed, and we'll see what tomorrow brings.
Will you please take me home? The first rays of sunshine blasting through at Mount Fuji. We got the a7 IV with the 85mm is what I'm going to be first running today, so we can put the a7S back into the bag. Oh, my hands are straight up cramping up. The only way to keep them warm is to put them on a can of hot coffee. Oh, so cold. Into my sides, it hurts, I can't lie. Remember those times I fought to get out. I want to get out. Those pictures so clear, fade in my mind. You leaving me here with ashes and fire. These people. And these little ones are pretty funny. Taking photos in the middle of the road is dangerous. Stay on the sidewalks. Anyway, I'm gonna stand out in the middle of the road like they tell me not to. Because how can you just not? Look at that.
Look into your heart and let me know. Do things turn black and gray as they go? When I'm far too gone, can you show me love?
Look at that, and then you turn around the other way and you've got that. That is ridiculous. take a look at that, mate. You gotta be fucking joking. That is crazy. Sweet. Really can't believe we've come all this way. Little hometown New Zealand, little white boy. He's made it. That is fucking beautiful. Get out the way for this guy.